Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2025 Lexus Cyberhome is a futuristic yet intriguing vision of mobile dwelling that embodies the brand's well-known values of elegant design, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched comfort in a possibly unusual car configuration. The Cyberhome, which is envisioned as a hybrid of a mobile home and a high-capacity vehicle, would probably forego the aesthetics of conventional recreational vehicles in favor of a more innovative and technologically integrated design language, taking cues from futuristic transportation ideas and current architectural trends. Its facade would probably have simple, flowing lines and a minimalist design, perhaps with cutting-edge materials for thermal efficiency and structural stability. Its visual signature would be greatly influenced by integrated lighting systems, both ambient and practical. Both aerodynamic efficiency while travel and spatial optimization when stationary would be prioritized by the seamless integration of access points and deployable features, such as integrated awnings or expanding living spaces, into the overall shape. The 2025 Lexus Cyberhome's interior would be a haven of sophisticated comfort and cutting-edge technology. The living area would be carefully planned to optimize practicality and create a calm, elegant ambience using high-quality, sustainable materials. An atmosphere of unmatched peace would be created with the help of sophisticated climate control, noise cancellation technologies, and adjustable lighting. It would be crucial to integrate smart home technologies so that all onboard systems, from communication and entertainment to security and environmental controls, could be easily controlled. Such a car would surely include an electrified drivetrain, which would be consistent with Lexus' growing dedication to environmentally friendly transportation. While sophisticated charging capabilities would guarantee a smooth interaction with future charging infrastructure, a high-capacity battery system would offer plenty of range. In addition, the Cyberhome would probably have advanced driver assistance features, which might open the door to partially or even completely autonomous operation, improving travel and putting occupant safety first. The 2025 Lexus Cyberhome essentially imagines a future in which mobile living surpasses traditional ideas of recreational vehicles by providing a tasteful fusion of state-of-the-art technology, opulent comfort, and elegant design, all supported by a dedication to environmental awareness. In keeping with Lexus's tradition of pushing the limits of automotive and lifestyle innovation, it symbolizes a potential paradigm change in how we view and experience mobile housing.